Miss Cossio here again with the Melody Room. Today I'm going to go slowly with you and teach you a little bit more of the ukulele. We're going to play the C chord, and I will post a picture up because I use coloured stickers to make it easy for you to remember which fingers and which the strings to push down for the chords. So today I've chosen red for the C chord. So you can put stickers on your ukulele too to make it easy. So the C chord is the string that's going to be at the bottom, so closest to your lap. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3 frets in, and then we're going to put our number 4, our ring finger on there. I say number 4 because I'm a piano player as well. But we'll just call it our ring finger. So here we go. I'm going to push it down, and then I'm going to use my thumb at the back, turn it around, and squeeze hard. You should end up with a line on your finger because you're pushing it down. So I'm going to put that down, and then I'm going to strum along. Let's see if it sounds good. This is the C chord. That sounds pretty good. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So you can play along and strum to that. How did you go? Did it sound nice? Did you get a line on your finger? Have a look. I can see a line on mine.